emena so se yetena se na nsema do ya boaboa no se o madwuma kase bo no yade mu nkyeremu nyina da eba ebese mom na yeka o se nsema do a ya boaboa no se o madwuma kase bo no yakuche ni nyina da ekogwe na be fonten kase no so a na DLFM online.com kase bo na DLFM yen app no na bio tune app no so wodi ano so bekwa Google Play anasa App Store wo download wi a no wa search DLFM 106.9 kase bo nam so a ubenya bi na wati edi amayen afinsi Facebook no eye adwuma YouTube and TikTok ni nyina da DLFM 106.9 babana da dwane na kase bo no yemfa hu mfoni ahodo ene videos ahodo nyina da emfansom enumre yi ensem titira ebedi kase wo ma akotini bi enesem upie mu ewon krapompone mantem kopiem se no dona ne mpotem dia National Disaster Management Organization etwanetia kan se nadmu wono de nsema tudwa echiremu sem adehia wono mote ben odona de nipa beboro be de se ne eye empem nsa mecha 3000 ena mu nyina da ho aka endrada enam subrane a etoye no ho
Asoya na hwe awiemu nsachire so ewo manga na mu ede kokobo adebeto eye Ghana fo ni na anim se omommomode an omototo omniema yesan se nsuo ne dia fe pa na eba beto
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawunia akoko pie mu ewo London United Kingdom na ne kase mu ana wochire mu sem yen kan kire Ghana man nyina se meka se no enfumsuo bi a MPP osiriko kokama yokunye yenti wonom edi nkuguo ewo mfempem mienu ne aduonu ene abato mu nti momfa nche omopanyankopon ya adoma mfempem mienu ne de nu nwotwe de kia neke amayoku no besan beje Ghana atena so bio
Deputy Finance Minister Edin Sama Betudwa HM sese sidi na nyese begina pintin keke na momo behemu den sane beya enwuma ohuro nsoso no ebetimi akoso ewo man mu
na Chief Executive Officer Edima Men's Gold Ghana Limited nana apia miensa dodo asana mrane se nam 1 ina Ghana for bete ne nsem na wo man mu anyasem kuma na court echire mu a papai waya frakadam ama de hie bi nwuma guma binum nam so ahwere mu nkwante no ankonkwa gina mra na court eni na asem nanso de nsem koto court anim se ebeya appeal efisensem do tu na anim no eya de antansa na nya no kre nanso ne appeal de koda court no court abo nsem na togo achirim se sebi emu hatu satante huru ntine nsem no obekwa ko gina court ma court edi na asem
Ekua omoton oya spare part Edin Sama Betudwa HM sese no sidi ni gina ne na aso ntina ya de ombetete ne maso se ne beya eye omoso omotobi no atimi eho ahenha wo
ebe kopie mu awa sentiment mu anya asem tuo ene sentiment mu aba tafo pankro no di eye divisional police command waremu saka esku ni abrante bi odia ogina jese ne wanya finhia no edunsia 16 years or form 2 na oko school osai eye kiretwie senior high school num ye friend say okes na nkra betodwo kirem say abamu ayi atumi afeda akopeja tuo esan de akọ classroom ma make say no school mu mpeni fo nhwehwe ma pose fo nsa kan na ye de mu kiremu ebesom anum ayi
ye bebu awremu ewani jede kase ebo mu na chesa brante bia bomode atimi anyeme na afofo miensa sese de ne snow egujemu ye papa
ene na ageta o ensem no pina kan besom sem omadwuma kasebo ewo DLFM 106.9 Lumba nsupa edin supa eta ya sene se yemfa kasebo mu kiremu no emra mesmo Lumba nsupa no eguma hodo mienu ye was sachet one ene ye sanso bottle one a eno no sabi mu de pa sabi no mandam ensu ya to ye bo ase ede fa mfidie mu ye sonso a jese wonya bi na wono ma oh kama pa dwumadie bia wodi abehia nsu se ya badintu ase se ye yi ase dwumadie bia ase no fa nyina gona Lumba nsupa ni yempesu papa emamesoma hoho no ekwanya ba de magana hyenkafo make so ni mikira twi una boye atwi a kopie mu ewolo mansu pa kache kotu sori bu kwa chine busunda benya sika de gubotom frempeni ahoma trufo iso 0555 ne yemiensa na 274757 e de aka ho ana 0577475343 tata kopie mu dansoma ni potema ya butu eye apia to sile ni mu pe na santo ne ye ben Lumba Sports ewo dansoman bomode ana frɛ ye nuaba madam abanya mechero no butuma nso yi wafado do o2 na homa tofo ne 0557 349401 0557 434940 that's ko pin of an kwone potema mama vek ebutum ne shop no ewo sport esanso ben ofanko eye sport m hono ma wasin be ni pe hono ma na pen ewo fanko fana homa trufo iso 0500 680 783 0500 680 783
DLFM afrefo nkabo mu company for eto sade afro bibia na ni je won se obeka ekuo yi ho esan se ekuo ye bi wa mano ne sanso ana bi wa manga na mo hwe se ye DLFM 106.9 ene ya papa dad Lumba ne nyom ebetimi adu akire ye panti wani je ho a obetimi afrem penifo e 0538 865 393 0538 865 393
na meka mo enimire yi say we eye Lumba Fest na Lumba Fest dwumadie no embe de pastor sebi anoma na ma ye ba pa dwumadie bi ho eye ntoma soronko a eno efa ye papa Charles Kojofosu na bra wabɔ titiru na nyom to so no enya semkuma wiase afa na nyina nsi ne fom tiankopɔ ye adoma eye memenda dwumbo so me no ne da etoso aduonu baako emfempem mienu ni aduonu numu Ebra no eye anopa eye anumere no nsia agbapa ho sema aduasa mekire 6:30 pm na dwumadi no bekɔ so forecast o DLFM 106.9 yenim ha nimu ya na dwumadi no ye bepa ho ntoma enya semkuma kuram na ne bota enya ne sei ebra bɔ moden anam dwumadi ni so etimi apaw eye June eye 21st Lumba Fest dwumadi ne ho ntoma enya semkuma titru efeye papa Charles Kojofosu emperifo akire mu sei and the celebration of Daddy Lumba a year Nyom ne Kalia no no mechre a year Lumba's career 35 years in the industry nyumpa watu panvins yama koma kwedi senum abba Daddy yen ye udeni we ye bwe nyuma wanam jese nsema hodo so achechere da 2 years afa na nyina akoma ne enya nyumkuma no ye ba be hye ho fa kese e na afin so na mfinhye a etoso aduosa ba konso eye 61st birthday ne nso befa dwumadi ewe so apa hontoma enya simkuma kura ne nyina nim senko ya adoma e bobo so menum e ne papa Charles Kojofosu eye ne nafua na anasa ne mfinhye na toso duosia ba kono e be koso manga ne manya simkuma kwa ne senti dwumadi e kase a tise no akwanya ba so peso be so yasema dwumadi ewe e konka mo na frem penifo e wa homaturofo so e 0598 966 736 0598 966-736 and 0579-284-18 afrem penifo ne yenso mwe na beso yasene dwumadie kese we yeba no ye nyina emfoto efa wona kan na hya ne so sem dwumadie we ne be ye soronko ya da kese bia ye papa Charles Kojofosu ne dwumadie wadie fa ne nyumto mu no enya semkomanti wonu ho sa won so beso yasene bobani abaka ne nyina emfoto na nyamfa mo do ye papa Charles Kojofosu dwumadie obabedie no niema enkon kan emfa mai we na dwumaku aso ase ye ntena sem na yɛmfa ɔma adwuma kase bɔ no ho kyeremu emra mesom akenkafo yɛ sinkunya besom animire no edi amagye so etakwade kodwokrom twebe wode hye konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi mahuteden ene ehunsi ompone mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
yɛda yɛ ho yɛba yɛde kase bɔ no kyeremu akasa ebeto aso ede asomo
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba afitumlika ne hia yen awo Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 na yemfa kasebo no emu nkyiremu ankasa emfa ensomom na sabe mpanifo ase yatempo anu de na anwemu a na yatie na yahye kasebo na ase yemfa ase emfa mfiri ase emfa mfiri ensuo ensensemu na ndo adaga na fo beka ya ensu otoye ewo manga na mu nyasem kuma nkrabopune mantemu so enya ade a eyi yen edi efremu kram nanam so etoye no ena National Disaster Management Organization wonma aso ye hwato ye nkyem dwumadie so be kire na dmofo eden kata abonten abeka se ekirim sem enipa bebro 3000 ena omtetete odo na ene ho ewo nkrabopune mantan mu ensu etoye no ama no ho waka bebiam no mti betumpu no era huye pam na mperifo kiremu se endrada ensu etoye ewo kusiada eye kotonu ma bosome nda toso du nwotwe enfempem mienu ne aduonu numu no enya semkumu Ghana de hye ho akan ye papa na mperifo kiremu se okopie mu odo na mpotemu dia ye de si ye no na epantoma kram na mra ndrada ensu no toye penipenifo si twam ehye ase hwehwemu saa bepema na eye adwodai kotonu ma bosome nda toso eye edu enkron enfempem mienu ene aduonu enumu ena municipal chief executive officer edema curating municipal assembly ni Agyei Tewia and afis Nadmo municipal coordinator Hendrich Noble Kina also the Truda H remisa to Yancha Moisi any dear this of Titi Bell Don and Potemo dear ye one of my no a pantom how the same say at one central for him.
We can see this is more or less a ritual because every year we face such problems. And so yesterday night the place was flooded, and this morning from yesterday night we started the assessment. So we went through all the municipal areas, flood prone areas, which everything is fine except Odola, which is flooded and there is problems. You can also see this earth drain. It has been here for a very long time, and this time we are not going to say sorry, but we must fix it. So we have gathered a report, and we are supposed to send a report to administration, and administration will take it up and make sure we deal with it. So for now, assessment has been done, report will come out. Then from tomorrow we'll start collecting the debris and the refuse around everywhere. Then we take it from there.
Just briefly, from your initial assessment, is what we are seeing a spillover of the Odo or the earth drain here?
The Odo.
DLFM 106.9.
The draining of the Odo, very important issue.
Very, very important. As the garage is also working on it, and the president promised that they will make sure they will fix, because we are in the low and the refuse are coming from the upper stream, and we can't do anything than to make sure. So we are going to, in the report, there will be sister city program, so that they will also make sure the accredited companies around their area will also be on board and make sure they collect refuse from households so that they will not put it in the gutter to reach here. For now, it's about, let's say, around 3,000 households from Nodon.
Any awuti uramo ewon krabo pode man tayi mu a aso no nehwe atoyenchem edwumadie so mekire National Disaster Management Organization nadmofo mpanifo a ono eye coordinator ewo eye korokrote mensin no emo ne den edim Hendrich Noble Kena ena wote ne nkan eno ekire no ena fei eye MCE edima korokrote mensin no eye ne Agyei Tewia eso ekirem se asemiasi emu oyepa na oha we de enye na be hyase dada na ensoto bi ayiri defani pa okrum ha no ma de biada wonomoka nanso eye na akoye hwebu ada 70 cent wakaze ekirem sem womakọ kwan do mefa so betimi afa eye internal generated fund etimi aboroma so oha we ya no ana se ne sika bi o mefa so kwan bi o mefa so menya sika etimi dia so no matumi ati odo na eye ensuonum anase kanim na ye kese se bebeboa se ko pie mu ala adwene mpotem ahodo a wono de na ye kama ensuoto a etumi nyine fa wo mo no ebi atumi akosonte sa pa de a ene ensuoto bia odo na ne mpotem de wo mehuno hawo.
Like my coordinator said, we've had this challenge over the years. As an assembly, what we are looking at from a discussion with them is to try and fix the challenge we have. Not for us to every time walk in here, sympathize with the people, collect refuse, and then give them something. But it is time for us to look at the drainage system, what we need to do about it. And we've decided to fix this once and for all. Either we do it from the common fund, either we do it from our own internal generated fund. We are going to put this in our budget for next year and then see how best we can minimize the flooding. We also don't know whether those living around are part of the problem. But once the drainage is constructed, based on engineering advice, and we still have this, then we have to move the next step to try and resolve the problem. So currently, whatever situation we are seeing here is something that has persisted, and we continue supporting them because of the human aspect of it. You can't say because we are here, we don't need to look at it. But we are looking at them, serving them. But then we are saying that from next year, we will try as much as possible to fix the problem. That's the way forward. That's the only way we can resolve this issue. Rather than any time it happens, we have to come here, sympathize with them, give them what we need to give to them, collect the rubbish, and we are back to the same. Like my colleague also said, we've had most of the debris coming from upstream. Here we are quite low when it comes to.
Any awoti municipal chief executive officer Edema Kwadwo Mensinom. Neden Edonim Nyamfo ni Agyei Tewia.
Yantoa kasebone so ne dasoa ejina nsuo ho sensema na so ye ehwe awiemu sachire so ede nsema betudwa HM de sese na fe na nsuo no eba beto ye pa nti omo obo eye Ghanafo nyina kokoso omo momode ano omo hwehwe omo niema yesan se bia ya woti a eye nsuo no ebetimi ayiri wo honom no so obo mode aso bede oniema betutu ye se na ebe ya nsuo no eto a entimi se wade pabi na ye senior meteorologist ede magana eye Matthew eye Joshua Asamoah HM no chem se eye kwasi ada nsuo etoye no eye important bi wo honom a nsuo netimi yire ko mu dem ho nina to mo hu ni se wo baabi a betimi ayi uniema de akwa bomode na yi kwesan se nsuo ne dia fei ana eba betoye pant Ghanafo momode aso mbehhehwe mo niema ye se ne be ya wuntimi se bibia na mfa so bo mbebo aban omode kokobo na ba betum anim timo momode a na mo hhehwe mo niema ye na nsuo na fei pa na eba beto ne kase de enam kwan so eba
yo sensuo no enya ede a yensi okrum ha yebehwe de besi akiri yantoa kasebon so ne yemfa monwura mam ewa kane omampani ebede acho no kurasiko 2 franka edema MPP osoro kokrokwa manyukwe ewo fempem mienu ne edunu nanya batom Dr. Mahamudu Baumia eden sema tudwa se yenka nkyere MPP amanyukuna chitafo nyina sem wonom di ya pa ewo nkuguo kese ene abysmal performance omoda nedi ewo fempem mienu ene edunu nanya batom no mu nyamia nim no kure ni fantin bese omonyo eyade a na nyenyenyenyenyen ti Ghanafo nyina emfanche wonom oni sa de tudwa emram na one Ghana de hia wonom wo London United Kingdom kasa na Dr. Mahamudu Baumia ekesem na ochire misem MPP amanyokwe benya akwanya envinhia pode nwotwe bedi Ghana nim na nsedu baabi na kwade sese betiri mode na de omope na omoye omokwaye kanka bi ene ye ntie hwe ene obetia ne se ne ye ntie obia ene ye ntie obia aja ye to abampa anka momfa nyimpapa ma bonte na Ghanafo nya party no ni mo mpese omo ye kire Ghanafo ne nyima obetia ne se ne owo sisi fia ne bi owo sisi fia ne bi saa na ba ne kwaje ta ne sisi fia aboa osune ye nkakra se nkaje obedi Ghana tumi a ene ekini ye free be bonu sum se pew epam no kire ne se wosone de sebe enwuram eho na ese oda na didi nom ne senti enemeke se na aboa wosono otekwaye mu a oje mframa se tre Dr. Mahamudu Baumia kasem na okire misem wono pacha opa na mo sre Ghanafo efisem fumso kase pa na mo agyei na sanfumso mo agye no wo mo nya bia woda na nam kuguo kase a MPP amanyoko ne die nti ameko ne trase epa obedwafo du mienu a wo mo pawo akane eye mase badwuma chama hene Michael Kweso na ano no hwe die nti enam so me MPP amanyoko ne di ntwo e won fimpi mienu ene aduonu enan abatonom na meka se Dr. Mahamudu Baumia ka se kire misem se de tebia no ene meka se de mpenifo se sabe achewo hwei emu yesene kata ka se bebu nyina de ntino se de tempia amanyoko no omo pachaw na se de tebia anya hwe kra no ebe ye bio wate.
There's no doubt, as Chairman Ben also said, that we didn't get everything right. MPP did a lot of work. There's no doubt about it. But we did not get everything right. We got quite a few things wrong. And I think that on my own behalf, on behalf of the party and the government, I apologize to all of you for us not getting the things right that we should have gotten. We didn't get anything right. I believe that if by the grace of God we have another opportunity, I believe that we will get many things right because we've learned the lessons of where we are going.
Enwachi na Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Baumia si yenka nkyere MPP amanyoko no ene Ghanafo nyina asem owani som ne ne daso se Nyankopɔ ya adoma amanyoko no acheo nanso emu ye na sabi emode sesabe esene kasabobie nyina no yenka nkyere Ghanafo nyina se Nyankopɔ ya adoma emfempem mienu ne aduonu nwotwe MP amanyoko no besan begitumi efrise NDC amanyoko di sakramade na da kwanso na mofa ya wambedi omtekrema ebe ne nam Ghanafo asum dada wono ma beka nsembode ede fam pipi amanyoko no mene omodi ntwodue nanso wonim se yenka nkyere Ghanafo se ne anipa sitrem aban foforo ba ye de ne yehunei ekom de ku Ghanafo se de dada na fimpo de ho kyene mo aye den o kyem se cement boi yate so ana dada na o kyem aban yi ba ye settings nko ani senti Nyankopɔ ya adoma MP amanyoko ye Ghanafo agye nkwa mfimpim ye ne donu nwotwe de se de tie o mese abaje o man Ghana banwa di so moman ye ho atoye.
I believe that 2028 MPP is going to come back into government. I believe so. There are a few reasons why I'm so convinced about this. Firstly, if you look at our political history suggests that it is usually very difficult for a first-time presidential candidate to win an election in Ghana. I don't know why that is, but Ghanaians want you to come more than one. So there is a sense that in 2020,
DLFM 106.9
for the first time. I believe we will have an advantage, all things being equal, over that new candidate coming in 2028. I believe we will have a very big advantage. The second set of reasons that I believe we are going to win is because NDC is actually in government. Why do I say so? In opposition, they made so many promises and told a lot of stories about what they were going to do. And they've now come into government. It's not easy to do propaganda when you are in government. It's very easy to do propaganda in opposition. So they told so many lies in opposition. They said that when they come, they will bring down the cost of kinky and the cost of living. I don't know. Have you noticed the reduction in kinky prices in Ghana? No, prices are rather going up. Whether you are looking at cement or other things, they are not coming down. So I think that, and this is only 4 months or 5 months, you will see that this lie that they told about reducing the cost of living will be more and more exposed as we go forward.
Any awoti ye ayo kane omampeni ebede chono kwase de kotu franka edema MPP e won fempem yenu ne eduno enan abatomo. Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia nene enawoti ye.
Yantua Kasiabone so na deputy finance minister Thomas Ampim Nyako edin sama betuja HM say ade aso no ebomodin aye adwuma ni bre so sane ebeye ye Ghana sika no ebetimi agina pinti no matimi ahye muden sane ebeye enwuma hohoro so no ebetimi akoso ewo man yimu na Ghana fo ankasa bedi adanse na watwi nie ndie ade asidi no etumpon ye papa esa say no dollar no kosesa 12 cedis 39 pesos and so enka no na kay 16 cedis na chese cedi ne sese no ejina ne na so ye papa na hwehwe mufo so de abetuja echiremu se sane enema akone de yade omo sidi dwa no ebetimi anya mfaso awadwumadi omo dinim san so ana ebi mo so omo wo ayadwuma ko binum so e de abetuja echiremu se yade omo hwe anim san sa na afini bekọ awieye no na sika no eso etimi atibio sane ebe ya omo so no ometimi anya mfaso awadwumadi a omo dinim. No, the same way etujwa wa bro konstra share our Presbyterian Church of Ghana no wa yakosombo eyendra kwesie ana ye deputy finance minister Thomas Ampim Nyako edi tujwa no mo mareshe mu se eyade omo behwe se ne ebeye sikasam no ebetimi akoyie na asa na osom no bekọ awieye na chese ye deputy finance minister Thomas Ampim Nyako ene Sam George ene eye aban panifo ni bia bomodin ama ye school fo bi omo wonimde na emomesa sikasam ntino mo ntimi nko ayeta share ni bi no be 400 no mabomodi amom 450,000 Ghana cedis sane be bua no musu betimi akosua de san se eye enkani moderator wo honom na bomodi asre aban se omboa wom ti no muso ama no eye 450,000 Ghana cedis say school for be 400 no omomodi anom nkosua de odin sem say edituja
President Mahama chargé the boss Dr. Effum at say we stabilize the Ghanaian currency. Say we reduce inflation. Now say yen car yen debt yen or manga ever sustainable level. I'm happy to say we have started working in earnest under the leadership of Dr. Effum at say we stabilizing the currency. We are not only stabilizing it, in fact, we are strengthening the currency. And then dollar no confirm. CD no enya amode. We will work hard to strengthen the city and to stabilize it. Send away our businesses, everything apprehended now human apostle. And now our interest rate inflation send away the cost of living bearable for the citizens of Ghana. That is what President Mahama we are committed and will do just as Ghana ever funded to my bedroom. It is a papa moderator.
DLFM.
We agree, so we are saddened by death. Now, so we will reset this economy. Send a mayor, don't pay no number.
Enia Uti ye, Deputy Finance Minister, Thomas Ampem Nyako.
Yan tuakas ya bonus so ani yemfiri sika sem ne nkogina mu e wo court ensensem na ne Court of Appeal ekwa asetena na Ghana fo nyina beka ya Chief Executive Officer Edema Men's Good Ghana Limited na apia mensa na hotedin ene nam 1 we de nam kra oye 1 no na ne nzembe to dwa okrum ha na mo kire se we bu Ghana adwadifuo bi e de afa so a ama nsem no emu oyaya pa menam so mebi mpa hwere mo nkwa okure mu atete pa ne sende ne nsem no na yade ya ese court na court tena so no pani yehu ba bia susan e de bodo hono befa e de afa ne nsem num ne nom ena abrante ne de nam 1 e de nsem no ekodo appeal court se dabi sa nsema hodo mo de ato no se be waye frakadam efizo nam koti kwan so edi eyes ka akọ ho dwa oni tumi krata no ne nyina mu no eyehwebu adasem okirema no kura nim ontumi na subambo ne bia de akire se waye frakadam ti ebe ya court no asem no onsan ehwe mu bio na no enene adwadai kotoni ma boseme ne da etoso edunkrom enfempim yenu ne edonu numum ena appeal court ekwa asetena damo kwa tena se na mo hwe na apia mensa dodo abonum na ne se na mo nkrata ne mu din na mo hwe mu saa na mo no pani na nsa wonsima ade ba ye ya wo kire se da bia sema de atu su wunyi ntum ti na se ne zantra ne yan hwe mu ya masa we mu hatu o emu hatu zaza wo de ya hwe nyi yesna tente huro kram na tremema penero mo eye Court of Appeal wona mo tena se presiding judge wo tena na kwamwa mum eye bia eye subari ana fin so mo kan hu bia justice afia sewa asari botwi eka ho ana Christopher ache wona mo tena kwamwa so no ana mo kirem se Davida chamai wonsam na enyo enyenyenyenyenye ndi asam ne ya botu agu ba bi kram na no na Frederick Forsen eye kasamafo edi madwadifo ndo musika kogu namwa na kache a mekasi wabo museto e madwadifo aso aye hia de ombedi mpo enu o mamu kirim se asem we dia John Kokot dia waye emu de person no mandam ne senti court ma ona moto ma honya ha panom fa krachi ngo gina court na mra ni na asem na se be yempo na ni mede mo ntwe to emfa nto nwe na sika no yenye odi nsem sei etu nsantwafo anim.
So the High Court made a determination of prima facie case against Namwan somewhere last year, July. And after that, Namwan appealed against it. That thing that something didn't go well. So he appealed against it. And he asked the court, the High Court here, to stay proceedings because he had gone on appeal. But the court here dismissed it. So he went back to the Court of Appeal and said that the court above should ask the court below to stay pending the determination of his appeal. So he now went to the Court of Appeal for the court to ask the court below to stay. But today, the Court of Appeal by the 3 eminent judges also dismissed that application. So this implies that the lower court, that is the trial court, may continue with the trial while the appeal is also ongoing. So it
eni ya woti ye eyopani pa wono de adwadifo a wono omusika ekogu nana apia mensa nam 1 ne sika krabia akwaje nsempi no ona ate ne nkan ne din ede Frederick Forsen eno chine samtwerefo nana apia mensa nam 1 bisa no ne bisa ne zakrache na ukoye wunsemi court kiremu a wabatu agu na asen no sehwe na munnim tira Supreme Court wo enti asem de ontwaso ne ntwaso tena obekoso abo asem yachi akodi akira akopemese na asem be devise Uhuana mutu a watu ya bwana ni senti ne court pesa omtete ni saa cream.
It doesn't end here. I mean, we still have the Supreme Court. So we just exercise all our rights, enshrined under the Constitution of the Republic, this beautiful republic. So I'll confer with my lawyers and then whatever as they so advise, we'll proceed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, any awoti ye Chief Executive Officer Edema Men's Good Ghana Limited. Nana apia mensa na hoteden ene nam 1 ena wote ne kan na yanyina wesu ene yanken ka madwenche ne bi fanso manimire ya we every set anto bam odi free madam na o chimze dodo abonam na ne se breastfeeding minim abofra kro ma ne nufo de anya semguma sana yesu no ma nufo no kuto nenim o say President Mahama, the grassroots and the branch executive at Wejagbawe constituency are waiting for the national cake. Don't be. Hey, opening your trigger, man penny Akasacheno. Hey, or some got a man penny Yahomas, when you're 2 minutes and no Yahomas whopper and to a japa. Ya what trail man penny Akasachano. What I say, Boko Wati. Dolly Trim, no chance of her live, very different and one do brew. Or say news, ya papa, ya the best news, ya that's Yahofedia. Coffee Parliament or Chams in Sweden, idiot. It's becoming too much, you. Yay, national. I was in that move on your BBO. Namun demolish a man for diocese to come in and Ghana this year on tour. I'm already a hard drain. Ghana for bread to. Richard, I heard what James say good evening to you. Pentecost said attack what could joke room. Trouble the Shekon Crunch, Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy, Adwoa Agyei Sikapa, or see who's one penny. Sika or Senaka said, but more the person no man more. Now live, our DJ Ghanaman Fidi in his way, great station on Ghana for you now, actually free DLFM nest. Or say, or there is a panel Jumadia Yabo, at some Ghana. When see a master planner junior can tamper no James Sim. Or say Ghanaians have made a great mistake for voting for President Mahama and his NDC. Or say, oh, boy, government doom supper galam say and Ghana for Huna money cement walk one their cost and not to say bin to oh Ghana Huna man you. Yada Sicilia. When Sufra Santi Joseph no James Santi one with the free burger Zare no James DLFM news. Keep it up. Senior yes yada sapam. Ghana ni ya bawon chain asema da honi. Asa hwe wiem nsa kira yesu kirim sensuo no afi na eba beto. Enti mu andra denzo akra to ye be ye dohwere miensa pa mo kasa se ne nsuo to ha ye tu mo no de o kirim se muntumu na ensuo no. De bai epantoma Ghana ni wote sensuo afi na ebeto na kase mu a. Na hwe kra bopone mantam nsuo to da bia mane ye huni no. Wote a usom sen 0534050199 0593406565 0534050199 0593406565 yes nsuo no afi na ebeto wo se ho sen. Hello Majo. Oh bra Kwame dodo ana se miami adom na won so
na mlado na se what ho
miami adom ho ya mija wo hye oba ne nsa se wa hwe okama bra Kwame yes nsuo no bibia dadin so ni ba beto kese pa na yete en na tinkra hai asem we yeso mu sen.
Oh really yeah yeah we boko pra o de kwa ye obi afi na no ucha de pandisi kwa obi si da wo shi Ghana ya tifu that tifu ya ka ya tifu se abrebia nshota that tifu ebi yo oh Ghana
ede
media we asem we de ya kan be do de me fancy ha do bi
but wa kwa me ya me shira pi. Hello Bajo. Oh, Dixon Bada droba achima de kro champion ma feel papa.
Akura no ma feel pa. Wa ka akura ye wuni.
Debut.
Udini dos dodo. Ye before na free kakre.
Mate edini kura ka ho.
Ba ka ka kura ye.
Ehunsu mpuni. Edini bumiko mu kura ye nwa.
Akura na minka ho.
Beda Sicilia.
Ne atene se e bi da nyame ase. Mpemfu se awodaso no be ma. Monya akaide. E be sere. Obi anya asobra te be bia. Wo tie nyeye, wo dance nsuma. Fia se prepe ho. Because am pass ya di bisi because nsu na se ne nto. Nti ayi anu ide e bisi.
Meso me da se pa droba nyame nhyira opi. Hello Majo.
Hello, good evening.
Ahofa wudin ene ba bia kasa free.
Pastor Midin the comfort in front of Sama Gutule.
Esa kone de asie ni o yasi nsuo na afi na ebeto na kase mu. Wo se ho se.
E de enye easy crowd for se no akaka ye hu ye no fra. Enye easy. Mi ankasa me ncha da hu bi da. Bayenra. Mi jinanso nim na me hu se o so wo ye ya. Nti dia mesere ne se omo hwe omo aka no nso omo mboaye na bebi esisi nsu akwan ne yehwe
monye ho bibi menso meda se pa fache me obetimi abo agura mu yesema na de anya aso awia kaketu bi na ye sore so bobo madin bo wura mu a ye ba fa pa na do adwenkyere de aba nso ye ayi ne tie yi aso ehwe wiem nsa kira ye so kirim se ye na ye ho so yi pa wuti ba bi a ehwo no be nsu anu afiri ho efiri se wanhwe ne yi a nsu be fa wukurum ano wo frem ya hwa na mantumi amba Majo
Emily offer
oh mama ni hwanjo na ti say
Nyamiadum no fa bia woko die.
Yamiadum bibia dadi. Mama, yentie we.
Yakopo asese wa wa beka ensa wa sundie no.
Amen. 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 Amen.
Ghana fanka fi aso odin. Ya so odin do do fa. Internet to that man bi etinsi ya ewo ya brabo mu. Dey ntina nsio mu ena bakwa kwotana. Seni sewunti. O shiro wonkwa wukuma. Ena se asema esi ona na kroma ya. Ano prasa na me pomiti. Mama nyina komoko. Masre Ghana mine na ayimrewu. Bia nya hwe no bibia onim so tinsi onu. Won to no mfom papa bi from comfortna. Enya sa amwa.
Mate.
Wo fa medana se kan.
Meso medase pi mama. Ye besre ofra bre nti enya de ebetimi afa bi frisi ye bre no. Enya edi anim kan dada enti sika kasebo no yebudu ko mi se pon. Na onim se Ghana ha no. Senka ewie boa ye bre enso susu etokra nso a amani hunu na me nua we se me kan asem we nkyere Ghana for de nkwa wate
senka abrofo ndi grade betwa hu hia dwi Ghana na enipa wo mu no na ya pro ya fertilizer ma sa ya sasa na o kan o enti abrofo no fa grade amedwi ya ebe 200 million no de twa hu hia enti ebe da me no mu wi o sa bo nse ne ya na ya fertilizer ya pra na ya asase ni no ma dua mu adi no mu yakobo mu bra se ya sa asase ya adwi se be ni
de o kan ni nyina no se ye no yes asase no kwa ye hu ade ayemfa asase nti o medwie nyina nkọ na ejaso medwie mra na ene agoprama so nsem ene bra so a esese ye body wura mu no ne fia mpaya ye bedwa free se me kese no Kwame Effum watena se enti wuti we se na bibia di adanse se sports for na ye den ena wonom eba no
DL Power Sports DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo
nya botre boko sina net say
me ni anyame adom ye krokrem na wonso
ya me adom
who efo
sao
obi a oyare mponi
e chan be hebe ni ma say ya ne ma yesi hata ye nche ana
unim
utumi say ya de na bomato hopa
no credit e ba ko pe
nya sem kuma
no credit e ba ko pe we no credit e ba ko pe obi wo be hu say sebi
ahodi ncha de ni ho nanso nyankopon som ene adwuma ne denti no obo akra ehun si omponi na aye ndem ye tenafie ntimi tenafie kra na send bra matches bebre na course
matches course so o say weekend over the weekend
yeah,
FA Cup women's side no
okay
and man so Premier League no so final match course so ye hu de wafa league no e man afem so and FA Cup no so ye hu de o win ye e bi be cup represent Ghana e Africa we can e man afem so then Ghana Premiership na nkasa so de o mugu so o mo body but matches it also from Saturday, Sunday, and numero so
match bobi wo hu se matese Legon City mpodie Legon Cities matese o mo afiri mu anesa
sisi
matese o mo atwa o mo 4-1 ne
you twa mo
nations atwa na o mo nti o mo yi o mo afiri mu de o mo kopa mba bi nkwatena wa hu a enda so kotokwa ya ade o mo twa Dreams FC 4-1
sure
asa na me team no de esi ade agu o sa watala has team mi magu team no eye me ya pa o esi me yem hye me pa
Accra so folk na e team ana
eye me ya magu me team no o me yem
sisi has to so 6
Kwame Effum ebrenti
omo dosinsia
me nya na fa group amaso nsem no
mate
esenwe
yo abusia mama wakwa ba wati mama wajo adeba DL 106.9 FM agude umre na ewiedu agude mu se ne aboabo no aye de brewo obeti Ghana hansem ebibrim ha no bi nso se ne ama no ne nsem obeti enchen so ebekọ apakan GH ho the blessed king ebekọ no akọji nsem de free ho okopie mu Accra Sports Stadium na match anamenu abema wo kan wasem Nations FC any Legon Cities ebaso anase Legon City ebaso ene enwumre nti ho nsem obeti emprepre de mame fam hyase every the Women's Premier League nankasa ebaso champion of champions ne baso na results ni enie ampem da kwa ladies etine fie edincho ewo police ladies eho na meka ewiane se police ladies no in Kenya bi anase pusunyaka bi koso ede ma omo ama omutumi form tuma pa efrae and say the IGP of Ghana Police Service Inspector General onankasa IGP tatanyo onankasa kopiem ewa agrofomanso enti kofitela edima to Facebook live eti bra Facebook ne bra ne behwe eniji sema ekoso abra IGP kokosho ono anemba eye police ladies oni na pamfo ekopiem ewo ho enye wo asem ka utumi say yes for we bra ne behwe Facebook live ko fitela edemi atoso na eniji say police inspector ehwo mu bosse mutumi win match a mebo mabaso na me ankasa nso metumi nan aba stadium aba behwe mo abra mo bobo no na ode osi eye oyo amane kokopiem wo kama ehye mayo no kran kese amana me no kase de police ladies owetumi di ampem da koa eso 2-0 eho na me di we free me senrem ewo FA Cup no so a emana femusu say enete Jonina ladies Asia Faith ladies na Nyankopon adom Faith ladies etumi ehye Jonina ladies mienu Jonina ladies etimu bako pe etubi ehwe omusu FA Cup finals no Faith ladies etumi afa adi ekofie ewo ho kama yemonrem our Division 1 League matches on March day 28. Results a course so and as I told you and I made every way and chena me call na many apakan GH according and come on. Wa sorry Nancy etine fieshe bako wa power into me ante Victory Club Warriors etine fieshe enum wale Catholic Stars into me and Shebi Yape FC eshe miensa sana Tamale City su eshe bako Miboroma Real Tamale United Real Tamale United into me and Sheba Tenefie Northern City eshe ne bako me send rem fufuro awa asem fufuro so a Division 1 League matches in so Soccer Academy eshe mienu and 11 Wonders into me and Sheba omo she emu omo timu bako DBB United eshe bako sana Techiman Liberty Youth eshe mienu sana Doma Unity eshe bako Tenefie and our Mighty Royals into me and Shebi Techiman Heroes amu bom de na china okay and then on me bom match resource na me di ide be me di abro kama mission room our Division 1 League Zone 2 match etodwa and me di every way niwe du bia se ehye baako tenefie Sahwi All Stars enso ehye baako King Faisal etenefie ehye baako sana Asekem FC enso ehye baako Enzema Kotoko ehye baako sana Bekwa Heroes omuso omu ehye baako UCC Youngsters ehye mieno tenefie Sredro All Blacks entumi ahye baako pe Raspak FC ehye mienu sana Sky FC nso entumi ahye Park Academy etenefie wentumi anshebi Future Stars ekoshe ne baako Secondary 11 wise entumi anshebi Alumina Sharks eshe baako sana Soccer Intellectuals eshe baako ana Mysterious Ebusuan Dwarfs nso eshe baako yemarem ewa Ghana Premier League so akofitela the results no atoto so Division 1 League matches amekeke nyina na Taylor atoto so ewa Facebook live no na yemarem ewa Premier League no so a Saturday miminde twemi and match baako etodwa Accra Lions FC eshe enum 5 Eduana FC eshe mu miensa na wa hwa Lions acheche eduana awene nam nyina kama Sunday endurance so match etodwa eni Asante Kotoko eshe enan sana Dreams eshe baako Vision FC eshe mienu sana Young Apostles entumi anshebi Karela United eshe miensa Mediama Soccer Club eshe baako Brekum Chelsea entumi anshebi amra wo fie no Hearts of Oak eshe baako Sansuna FC Samatex eshe mienu ana Bechem United eshe baako Basaka Holy Stars entumi anshebi sana Hearts of Oak so entumi anshebi emprepremu de uhwa meno kase de uko Nations FC a omehia Lagos Cities ewo Accra Sports Stadium na match ni be wieye no na Lagos Cities atene fie ama Nations FC ahye no enan a watimu baako pe na wohwa we yedi piaka etisi ameno kase de league table no say na ababeye Nations FC already kan all 57 points about 31 matches Gold Stars ewo 56 points about 31 matches Heart of Lions ewo 54 points about 31 matches Kumasi Asante Kotoko ewo 54 points about 31 matches na mehwehwe team ba kwa mehunu mehwehwe so da ha Accra Folk about 31 matches or 46 points enya asemu anka ha na ha sebeda yamorem ewo omom nan ewo ase ono mu nso a Accra Lions about 31 matches or 35 points Lagos Cities about 31 matches or 25 points ana instructor man ye nyina nim de to omuti na o match omu e de free Premiership anymore into on the mega so abon the matches a wianisa over 21 points. Now Ushemua, Kofi Yakwa man swear, Ushemua, not just say relegation zone, like I said, teams me and saying, Accra Lions, Lagos Cities, and in Stratmine FC, and Omuko relegation. Senia Macono, Senia Yehuni said, not just say, and sure, na Nations FC, Waji Ghana Premiership, no, and I say Ghana Premier League, no, Cup, no, Eddie Sini, so, into Enche Yakwa Humano, so, Yanamo Senior, and I say, me co host, Apakan GH, the Blessed King, our honum, Yanin the better king, come idea for matches, no, Akoso, any the SC, our Accra Sports State, Abra Nations FC, Ekusha Lagos City. Apakan,
Kwame,
yeah, GH,
Kwame,
yeah, we need the Blessed King, no.
Oh yeah, heavy brutal, the birthday man.
Yeah, me no. Banebedi jollof.
You ready jollof for china?
Sa. Na apakan bibia wonu bibia boko de.
Oh nyame adom Kwame obepie mu a bibia boko.
Enya boye mu e.
Wo Kwame me da say enanwumre for akwenya wo de amame wo DLFM so. Na yentie fo nyina enanwumre. Tena Kwame Okan no Medaso Accra Sports Stadium and University of Ghana Stadium or Legon aha ana F15 rade aha na mada endra so ni toni ade nyina ya wa ha enenso no ensentre for yesabe piemu asabe witness a very kg game ntino F15 rade Kwame o hwehwe mi ofia na hume University of Ghana Stadium or Legon na mada Kwame, first of all, no, kakrebi wondra game na ba so women's football festival no. Kwame ndra na obe more Accra Sports Stadium na in fact na it was a very 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 colorful event na so University of Ghana Stadium Legon. And it's the 2024-2025 season women's football league in your crowned in nyina. And it's a ball mano FA Cup final. And your ball a man and so on your Southern zone and in your Northern zone champion of champion and ye in your Bekwako Jinema Africa and Kwame Ndrewi mi bedu have 217 and I bedu University of Ghana Stadium and Kwame meba no na presence no na sheda nye encouraging na supporters in sheda mark akrabat ball be 3 okona game ne sha say you supporters no banka kranka ye FA Cup final no Ekodu league and so no start 6 no and na afedi ye hu sen crofo aba we ka say attendance and nenya bad but nen sheda nya ne I expect but nenya bad ye be fanisa because ye nyina ye ni ma football na afeni ye try say ye be pushing no Ghana and Kwame o champagne fu be pie mu Accra Sports Stadium ndra nenya bad Ghana Football Association president Keto Keku was present ubenya Ghana IGP for Flowaba COP Christian Teteyono or by because don't forget na police for man almost women's league champion of champions on any domino by some better police for manachi and happens to sports minister honorable Kofi Adam nipa 83p by central for the do draw na sport journalist wakra do draw na be piemo and drama yet me call written see game and Kwame the first game na it was between Faith Ladies and Jonina Ladies, which is Emmanuel FA Cup and Kwame. Game no start here no na and shed on your bad, but na pace of the game na is slow kakra. And Ekon and Mana Kwame so start Tiguan in Sony Tiguan on through the tempo of the game. Bobo na name to me flow, Papa. So na game na kwakwa den don. Boom obianya or the fafema because of Sony na game no and to me front omunya bona normal Barry your boy we 90 minutes Kwame still now na Faith Ladies one Jonina Ladies one so yeah the extra time necessary so no and Kwame 128 minutes more and Bobo kwa Faith Ladies nya corner kick omu peja na Faith Ladies for ne pemde to atrema Jonina for ne the yabeti sana Kwame game ne ba we but the FA Cup no bisa ma Kwame yes game na se ne flow but after saying so no toy no Kwame slow the tempo of the game down to Yanshada and who the beauty about Kwame ever fan because Ghana you say pitches no Yanshada ni drainage system I got in so to ever twin so no DFP Park and so Kwame and Shada and your body the girls name a very good game am I your witness here Kwame game no Bobo kwa your friend no Faith Ladies and 2024-2025 season no ometumaje emano FA Cup in the SC so by beating Bobo Effum Jonina ladies 2-1. So Kwame Yambo 2 coaches na Masandra Oshe 2 coaches and tactically changes are normal how almost so mu team na normal bona Kwame Yamba football no is gradually growing because Sandra game am witness wa class sports no any man how omunya ball mu to me control to me take opposition players on dribbling na dia Kwame women's football is gradually growing in Ghana. So Yambo faith ladies any Jonina ladies in Nhyiraba so omunyina no fight very well but at the end of the day no only one winner the ebenya acquire faith ladies. So Yambo faith ladies abaso so metumaje afino women's FA Cup no DSC and Kwame the second game no I no share 6 p.m. I'm da Kwan ladies any police ladies and Kwame so what share money league now it has been dominated by da Kwan ladies any Hazakes ladies but for some time now no Hazakes ladies after say you see Bazigi Eja omo Kwame team number fema fe no mo try so mo be hye so ma kwa echire kakra ma now da Kwan they still na they are playing well na the likes of police ladies no may take you out. So I feel no yenya police ladies are normally da Kwan eba be Kwame so wo hwe da Kwan for no omo quality a omo experience omo this playoff in the women's premier league omo ba Kwame na ye nyina ye di agudie na echi no me apakan say na wo bisa me Saturday ni ade obeka se wan na ebeje a meka che say ebeye da Kwan ebeje but ndra Kwame ball police ladies for ball akra University of Ghana Stadium my young Kwame. It tells you say police ladies for Roman Bediago and Endra are the other now police ladies remember witness say about them at University of Ghana Stadium and it's Kwame. Now energy level no so in so the toy and minimum da Kwan for no say I say so no a slow tempo down there now Kwame. Game na Andra me share University of Ghana Stadium and now da Kwan for ni slow mama kakra and now she police ladies are normal with that energy no normal to me kitabo on the ball and pushy da Kwan for a game no query no now police ladies every game by 2-0 I feel leg you know a man or champion of champions no I call Eddie Ama Bobo Kwa your friend police ladies and Oshe COP Christian Tete no IGP then an J no hage and maba one any police in pen for by police band thereby Sena no be any aja Kwame na it tells you so many aja and no many aja they deserve because beating da Kwan University of Ghana Kwame and ye easy engineer no many aja now no police ladies for na aja man leg na omo kwa kopie mu wafu zombie so omo tumi wi ni wafu zombie na no omo ko gina Ghana na mu the women's CAF Champions League because so Kwame all in your mesmerizing because of a brain and it was a colorful event and of course so University of Ghana Stadium a man women's football festival and penny phobia and yes no by night it was a colorful event and Kwame mami mbo GFA for about me particularly apakan GFA for no mo ye bibi na nko ya me ball match ba Kwame the way now omama a man football na Kwame ndra wo hwe performances witness was stadium or trophy ne fe medals ye chichema my one ne fe ni adia Kwame GFA for the women's football quite so yeah mom about so and so Kwame kakra bi won there game na ba so no na me die see bring no
that's right
in fact na a big game and yen na ya ba na yen say be witness big game because the wash Legon City to almost battle for relegation so no person who win this game by hook or crook at University of Ghana Stadium there's be almost chances of surviving relegation be say bit my possible at the amount na Nation FC on the other hand so almost pretty for the first time be league at Ghana Premier League so Kwame na game no so tight by game no and game na no from the blast of the wrist to Kwame Bibia Chelsea Nation FC and almost person almost league no share almost counter attacking football mo boy almost pressing how almost swinging passes together Kasim Mingo Kansi Nation FC coach was building a very good team at the Nation FC and Kwame every actually no Bobo Kwa Nations to me actually Legon City is ashon by 4-1 in the Bobo Kwa Nations FC every game it was a very beautiful game from the blast of the whistle to end and Kwame Ubizama Meka chose Bobo Kwa Nations FC was the better side almost bobo and indeed football was fair to them almost to me winning by 4-1 and Kwame per bona in the nation service Adwoa Kwame Medimanian won Kwame the nation service leg in Ghana ha men more behind and you beyond because so much or more quality no and more very good coaching Kasim Mengo Kansia Washisha very good to man and they're born at Medimanian my boy University of Ghana Stadium Kwame the almost leg na and Legon cities there Kwame Penny and the men Kwame a bit here be a miracle and Sana Legon cities ever survive for relegation definitely born or move on encouragement here man Kwame and Yamawa Legon cities ever for relegation so young born nation service about so my idea Kwame so moving in leg na meka men and you'll be our
Yate apaka ye na wase e obi will be anyame ka no for me do asomdwem abusia apaka G the blessed king out in Kano e wa infan Legon University of Ghana Park and so maybe edu yamre ayebe emre na ayebe nti me mon kai se aboafo eboa Lumba insupa insuo e wo dwaso insupapa a wonuma e kire ni asem e daddy Lumba ni insuo de abedwaso ye o sashi enche bottle no bedi e kire e de aba eti kodwaso na copy bito Lumba insupa e na mija e de ama wankasa me a me di ejuma no chia me di Kwame Effum me ni me dofo me bibia apakan GH ko fitela de me to am abefo ntentan no so me ni abema
senior
se bibia da watch apakan kan
akopama so akonfo makoma wi o
etu yati dom yan yeni
mate medawase
eti nyame hira
Ebenezer bebe nyamedum bedu ani
studio bi so mami wo ho no
medazi bebre
agona PSC na nam so ya we
no
odefo buampo nsem na makra mo
bye
bye
ene a oti ye eye Kwame Effum ono ene betre mu ekofa package edi free University of Ghana Sports Stadium ene agopama so nsema hodo a edi ahim o my Ghana ne amanone ahodo sem so no ena wati wadum kene kasebo no ye de asi emusemufuo no eye maize mebere ntwene se mu ede ema yen bema 10 gram we ni ahofa adwa no the nations MC kofitela de ekopie mu ewo Facebook no so akenkan fo aye sinkumya ye hwenesia sentemu abesum anubere no edi amege so eye takrade kodwokrom twabewude hyekonkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bia ma hoteden ene ehunsuo mpone meni ahofedia
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
na ye so a de obetia nie Sikipi ono na ye senior technician on duty a chinchima fidin from edema no ono ene de awusuo dwumadie no etwa so ede amamye omunyina mu ene tia adehye
Sikipi